Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. I'm Mandy. Today, I want to ask you a question. How long does it take you to make dinner for your family? I know a lot of people are busy. They want to make something quick and delicious. This ground pork noodle soup is very hearty and healthy. It takes 15 minutes to make and it serves a whole family. Would you give it a try? 10 cloves of garlic and ½ inch of ginger. Throw them into a mini blender and chop nicely. Finally, dice 3 scallions. Separate the white and green part. We'll use the white part for stir fry and reserve the green part as garnish at the end. Add a few tablespoons of oil to the wok, along with the garlic ginger blend, the white part of the scallion, 1½ tablespoon of Sichuan douban jiang, and 1 tablespoon of chili flake. If you don't eat spicy food, you can switch the douban jiang with soybean paste and replace the chili flake with sweet paprika. Stir all the aromatics for a couple of minutes to activate the douban jiang flavor. Turn the heat to high. Toss in the ground pork and use your spatula to break up any big chunks of meat. It should be nice and loose. We don't want any meat patties. Once you don't see any pink color, the pork is cooked through. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine from the side of the wok. Season it with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce for the color. It is going to taste a lot saltier compared to your preference. That is because this ground pork is a noodle topping, or what we call 臊子 in Chinese. You are not supposed to eat it on its own. Last, pour in a 1/4 cup of water and let it mingle a little bit. Remove the 臊子 from the wok and set it aside. Next, we will cook the noodles. To the same wok, pour in 5 to 6 cups of water. If you have stock, that will be even better. I am not washing the wok because I don't want to waste the flavor. We'll bring this to a boil, which will take a few minutes. It should be enough time for you to wash the baby bok choy and cut them open. The noodles. What I'm using here are fresh ramen noodles, but you can use other types because I have tried so many, such as egg noodles, rice noodles, mung bean noodles, even instant noodles will work. Depending on the thickness and the brand, the cooking time may vary. If you're not sure, just check the instruction on the package before you cook it. Once the water comes to a boil, throw in 4 to 5 servings of noodles. Just for reference, it will be 400 to 500 grams of fresh noodles or 250 to 300 grams of dried noodles. Add some salt to taste. I used about ½ tablespoon. My noodles are fresh, so it just needs a few minutes of simmering, which should be enough time for you to pan fry some eggs on a different stove. This is optional, just to add a little extra protein. I think the noodles are almost done now. Throw in the baby bok choy, let it blanch for just 30 seconds, and dinner is ready. To make a serving, you just put some noodles in a bowl along with the broth. Scoop a few big spoonfuls of minced pork on the top. put some baby bok choy to balance the flavor. This brings back my childhood memory. When I get an A+ at school, my mom will always make me an extra egg. Sprinkle a little bit of spring onion and enjoy. This is a super quick dinner on a limited budget, but it's very tasty. We made the ground pork salty and savory, so you can gradually mix it into the noodle soup as you are eating it. If you got the time and effort, you can definitely upgrade the broth to chicken stock. When I was little, my family weren't that fancy. We just used water. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, you can click the link in the description and find the printable recipe. If you like this type of easy homemade meals, please leave a comment below to encourage me to continue making more. Thank you for watching. This video is sponsored by Souped Up Recipes Wok. This is the wok that I'm selling, and I am proud to recommend it to you as I have been using it on my channel for years. It is lightweight and it responds to heat changes quickly and evenly. It can also sustain super high temperature without damage, perfect for wok cooking. If you like Chinese food and you want to learn how to make it at home better than takeout, you definitely need one of these, as it is the most basic cookware in Chinese cuisine. The link is in the description. Go check it out. By the way, we just relaunched this wok in UK because last year we weren't able to ship to UK anymore after Brexit. Now you can buy it again. It's free shipping and custom fees included. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!